Hi, I'm Dr. Ed Jacobs, founder of Impact Therapy, here with Dr. Chris Schimmel. She and I teach at West Virginia University and do workshops throughout the country on impact therapy. Impact therapy is an active, creative, multisensory, theory-driven approach to counseling. And we're going to show one technique and then we'll talk about it. It's the use of the dollar bill. And let's say Chris has been a client, a woman that has gone through all kinds of stuff and had this horrific kind of life, and she's been telling me about it. And she says she's not worthwhile, and she's not as worthwhile as all the people in the shelter and whatever. And I would do something like this. I pull out a dollar bill and I say, Chris, how much is this worth?
$1.
Okay, watch this. Sort of like what's happened to your life. Been kicked around,
Yeah.
spit on, stepped on.
Yeah.
How much is this now worth?
Still $1.
How do I get you to see that nothing can change your worth? Have you been through a lot? Absolutely. But when you tell me you're not as worthwhile as these other people, that is simply not true. People's worth does not go up and down. Cholesterol can go up and down, weight, blood pressure, all those things go up and down.
But worth doesn't?
No, your worth never goes up and down. And that's what I want you, I'm going to give you this. If you can get this concept, because the truth is you've been through a lot. You say I'm not really worth the same. That's not
how
true.
I feel.
That's what you've been telling yourself. And I'm going to show you this model that it gets at the idea that thoughts cause feelings. Okay. Impact therapy is a theory-driven approach, and we use creative techniques such as the prop there. And what we want to do, what I showed was the use of the dollar bill and the use of theory, REBT. Do you want to comment some more?
I think of all of the techniques that we show when we'll go to a conference and present a multitude of ideas and techniques that people can use and try, the dollar bill gets the most powerful response.
Yeah, sometimes it gets applause.
Yeah, people will clap because so many of you out there who are doing counseling or who are going to be doing counseling, you are going to deal with clients who truly believe that their past is indicative of their future, and it defines who they are, and they feel less worthwhile because of what they've been through.
Oh yeah, I agree. And the one story I tell is this woman that was a high school counselor in Virginia, had a $5 bill, did it with this kid. Kid was very poor, really, but she said, I'm going to give you this $5. I want you to keep it because I want you to remember you're always worthwhile. 2 years later, she saw that kid. He comes up and says, Ms. Smith, I've got that $5. That's the impact that's possible. And we want, through these YouTube clips and when we do workshops, we try to really excite people about what counseling really can be. Go to impacttherapy.com for more information.